Oh shit. Fucking tired, man.
Let's do this.
Fucking tired as fuck. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, here it's nothing special, but I mean, this is my first year racing, so this is the number 88 machine. I just bought it. I didn't paint it. I'm gonna paint it next year. This year I'm just gonna run it the way it is. I'm from North New York. You guys can comment on this. It's by Vinyl Graphics by Cheryl Snyder. So if you guys are out there racing and you're from around New York and you're from North, hit her up. She does a really good job. This gas tank will hold about 25 good fast laps. It's another kill switch. I got a push start button in this.
See that posi?
Yeah, not to mention I got my posi red.
Bullet rear end.
Bullet. Best racing rear end you can ever get. My uncle's raced these for like 4 years, 6 years. This
Brand
is the
new
motor.
battery.
Just bought a brand new battery. This is the motor. She's a 14.5. If you come over here, all I did was a little bit of cam work and
Exhaust.
So
Gotta put that 4-wheeler can on it.
yeah. Down there's my shit.
Alright, fuck, man. Come on, fire this up.
Alright, man, that's
Do
that.
this. You gonna need a push?
Yeah, I'll need a push-up start. She's a little cold.
Hit your choke real quick. Get it warmed up.
Make sure I got some gas in it. Full tank of gas.
It's fucking hot as a bitch out here.
She's a little cold, she always does.
You turn that on, dude? Hey, I'm gonna set the camera down real quick.
Alright.
Do it. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. This thing throws rooster tail.